Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, guys. This video is for CMA US students who are giving their examination in the month of October. So September में अभी कितने दिन बचे हैं तो कैन आई से September में still we have 21 days left. So how we are going to plan this 21 days, that is what we are going to majorly discuss over here. First thing, if you are giving part 1 or you are giving part 2, September में can I say 21 days, which means you have 3 weeks time for your preparation, right? You have 3 weeks time for your preparation. So what needs to be done in the first week, what needs to be done in the second week, what needs to be done in the third week? First thing, for part 1, you need to club two topics or two modules together, which is B and C. B covers planning, budgeting, C covers your performance measurement. These two topics, something C topic, some might find it very difficult or a moderate topic, and where compared to B, some find it very easier. So combination of easy as well as moderate or difficult topic helps you to study and keep going, right? So club these two topics together. After completion of this, you can club A module along with E module, which is accounts, along with internal controls. So this will help you know, a smaller topic with a huge topic. Accounts is a bigger topic, right? Internal controls, well, it's a very small topic. And lastly, you should focus on D along with F, right? So this is how you should club two modules and study in the remaining days. And when it comes to part 2, so what needs to be done for part 2? It is very simple. In the first week, if you're very much practical, you love enjoying solving sums, then you should definitely pick up C and E together and make sure that you are done with this particular topics. And in the second week, your focus should be on ratios, along with, once you're doing ratios, you should focus on F module, which is your ethics, right? And in the last week, you should pick up B module and D module, which is finance as well as your risk management. So this is how you should club two modules and revise in the remaining 21 days. Now, if you say how you should bifurcate this 7 days, out of these 7 days, you should allocate 6 days for studying and the balance 1 day you should focus on testing yourself, right? So this will help you to understand whether the 6 days study was efficient or whether you need to improve in the upcoming weeks, right? Once this is done, whenever you're booking your exam in the month of October, make sure you give at least 2 mock tests and analyze those things, what went wrong or what are the areas that you need to work on. After doing all this, I don't think anything will stop you from clearing the examination. All the best, guys. Do well.